2 aggravated robberies, a collision causing injury.
All right. Norma, and are you going to be asking for a PSI?
Correct, yes.
Norma, I need a PSI and tap date, please.
Guess not. That's fine. 26, Judge.
That's fine.
All right, so January 26th. And everyone, we'll just do the motion to revoke on January 26th as well.
That's great.
All right,
On the record.
I need everyone to, thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 011020, 2025 CR 011311C, 2025 CR 011309A, State versus Adrian Isaac Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Christian for the defendant.
And are you Adrian Isaac Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, and I have done so, yes.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, in the cause number ending in 20, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in the letter C, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in the letter A, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 20, you're charged with collision involving an injury. The range of punishment is not more than 5 years in the prison or up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, and a fine not to exceed $5,000. And the cause number ending in the letter C, you're charged with aggravated robbery. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in A, you're charged with aggravated robbery. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
In the cause number ending in 20, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, you could, and if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, you could be sentenced up to 5 years in the prison. In the other cause numbers for the aggravated robbery cases, if the court grants your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court will be able to sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe.
Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In the cause numbers ending in C, N, A, according to your plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. The state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. All of these cases will run concurrently, including the motion to revoke. and the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 011310C and 2025 CC 009777. And the cause number ending in 20, according to your plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. All of the cases will run concurrently, and the same cases will be taken in consideration that were previously stated. Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
State,
Yes.
defense.
Yes, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have been motions filed, but nothing that would qualify.
All right, then in cause number 2025 CR 011020, how do you plead?
No conflict.
And cause number 2025 CR 011309A, how do you plead?
No contest.
And cause number 2025 CR 011311C, how do you plead?
No conflict.
State any evidence to support the defendants, please.
The state states one in attachments in each.
And we have no objection in each case.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it at all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Ready to proceed on the motion?
No, Judge.
What is going on? Why you are not ready to
Requesting
proceed?
a reset. Your Honor, he was extradited down here from Arizona. There's just some, the DA and I conferred, and there needs to be some investigation to exactly what happened when he was there and he was in California. What's been going on for the last 3 or so years. We just don't have enough information at this time. So we're asking for reset for further investigation before we try to work something out, hopefully. And I provided the state with the case number from his case from Arizona, and I think they've already gotten their investigator looking at it.
Yes, Your Honor, we are started, we do need to reach out to the County Arizona prosecutors to defend.
All right, so I don't understand why. Like, this motion was filed July 24th. And what's filed with the court, the case from Arizona is already attached. So that means that somebody already knew about this somewhere, because the indictment and everything is attached to the motion. So I don't understand.
Your Honor, there's some wording in the order that we need to confer with the prosecutors. It appears that in one of the judgments, there may have been, they may have ordered it to run concurrent with this case. I have the same thought.
Well, I don't have to run it concurrent with this case. So whether they're ordering it or not, that's not a hindrance to what the court does on whether something runs concurrent or not. Similarly, if I were to say this is to run concurrent with the federal case before the federal case is resolved, the federal case does not have to run it concurrently. Now, normally, if there's a sentence that is happening in another case, normally I run it concurrently unless there's a reason not to. So whether or not they ran it concurrently or not is not a hindrance to this case moving forward. So that's off the table, as we need more time to see if they ask that it be ran concurrently or not. So what's the next issue? Just doing what investigation on what? Because if he's already pled to it and that, if he's pled to these cases there, if he entered a plea of guilty, then what? Is he going to come here and say not true when he's already pled guilty? So I don't understand.
Yeah, and I think just from what defense and I were discussing, we wanted to see what he pled guilty to as for our violations. I know there's one judgment there. It looks like the narrative of the court summary, there may have been 2 charges and those was picked up 5 additional ones. I didn't know the outcome of those, so that's what I was working with my investigator on.
All right, all they have to do is pick up the phone and call somebody that they'll answer.
Additional judge, I don't think you have the supplement. There's a supplement. Do you have a supplement MTR? Which does include some technical.
I have a First Amendment amended.
There's the vast majority of the violations are from Yuma, Arizona, but the very end of the first or second supplement, I believe there's 3 technical violations.
Well, he has the unlawful use or transportation from Yuma, narcotic drug possession, Yuma. So that's on the First Amendment.
At the very end of the last motion that was filed by the state, there's 3 technical violations.
All right, so let me ask you this.
Yes, ma'am.
So is he sentenced to federal custody? Has he been sent to prison,
He's done,
federal prison?
but not federal, right?
No.
All right, so has he been sent to prison in Yuma?
He
Yes,
did about 2.5 years, Judge.
All right, so technicals are what's gonna hold this up. All right, so this is coming back tomorrow and you all need to call whoever you need to call. That's
Did I
what
have-
phones are for.
I can't be here tomorrow. I have a,
I'm sorry?
I can't be here tomorrow. I have a medical procedure.
Okay, all right, so I'll see y'all back this afternoon. Call whoever you need to call.
Judge. I have to prepare for this afternoon.
No, I understand. I want to make sure that you all have all of the information because nobody's called anybody. So I'm not saying it's gonna go on a contested hearing, but you all need to pick up the phone and call Yuma County or whoever you're gonna call to see what information they have, because in the court's documents, and this is just something that's attached to the motion to revoke, they already have the Arizona in the document. So pick up the phone, call somebody.
yes, we're already working on
All right, okay, all right, thank you.
I can't be back this afternoon.
Okay.